In this video, I will show you how to create a unique YouTube banner, and for this design and app will be required the name of the app in Pixellab. The app link we will be giving in my video description box. Download it from here. After that, open the app, and the design we will have a PLP file. From we will find the link of that file in my video description box and download the PLP file from here. After that, now we will click on three dot menu, then click on open PLP file, again click on PLP, then select PLP file downloaded from storage. Okay, then click on layer option. Now watch how I design, and from here click on text and edit as your own. Okay, now we will change the photo from here. From that, again we will click on layer option. After that, we will delete two layers of the photo from here. Now we will click the plus icon to select your photo here. Then click on from gallery, and we will now select your two photos from our gallery. Okay, then click on layer option. Then from here we will drag down our two photo layer. Okay, then again click on layer option. Then you continue to see how to customize and save.